Hi everyone, today's upgrade is the Mercedes-Benz E-Series upgrade Android central control screen. This is a very long-used car. Car owners feel less function does not meet the needs of the present. Want to change it? Okay, this is the upgraded Android system big screen. It supports mobile wireless Carplay Android Auto. You can use voice assistants here, make calls, listen to songs, use online maps and other mobile app applications. So do you want to know how to upgrade? Please follow my video watch. First, we open the co-pilot's locker and use the tool to draw these two metal snaps. Then remove part of the outlet wind. Then use the tool to lift the plastic spring buckle from this position. Then from this position, the outlet can be completely removed by using the tool to pull all the plastic spring buckle inside. Now unplug the 3 plugs connected to the outlet and proceed to the next step. Take a look, here are two fixed CD host screws. We want to screw them out. These two screws cannot be taken away. We probably screwed out to this position, and then press them in. Then the CD host can be disassembled. Note, don't push, there is a plug on the side that needs to be removed. Then pull the CD host all out, only need to unplug the power plug on the back of it. Start to dismantle the screen. Use the tool to pry open the internal snap along the gap, and dismantle its first panel. Then twist off the two screws that fixed the screen and remove the screen. There are two plugs on the back of the screen, both unplugged. This assembly is complete. Then start the installation. This is the power cord for the new screen. We need to put it in the right place. Prior to this, its AUX out sound plug is connected to AUX in to facilitate line layout. Then the white end of the new power harness is passed through the CD host position, along the gap from the outlet position, until the screen position. Then connect the small speaker, its role for the call to provide sound. Then the power male of the new harness is inserted into the CD host. Then connect the female to the CD power plug of the original car. Reconnect the wire on the side of the host and install the host back. Restand the two screws that hold it and tighten them with the tool. Now install the base of the new screen, with white plugs and LVDS plugs set aside. There are two screw holes next to it. Fix them separately and use the remove screws. Connect the LVDS plug and the white power plug. There are two screw holes on the back of the screen to protect the cover. We need to open the. Put it in the right position, and then fixed with a screw. Now we reconnect the 3 plugs of the outlet and install the outlet. Now has been successfully upgraded. The no screen is to retain the original car system. We wait to enter the original system to set the sound again before you need to set the resolution. Now go to Settings, Specific, Original DPI. Select the option with the corresponding system. Here select the false, and then jump the original system. You can find the UI interface is normal. Then we enter the original system interface. Select Audio, click OK. You can see the UX option. We click on it to confirm. Long press again to enter the Android system to select the music app for sound playback. You can normally broadcast the sound. In addition, it can carry out real-time map navigation. You can also download other map software. Support electronic dashboard. Support door safety reminder. Support original car camera reversing image. When you relax, you can watch online movies. You can dial a Bluetooth phone through the screen, and your steering wheel button can also control the volume or hand up. Answer. Okay, the video is here. More features waiting for you to experience.